This video is on adding a child, a friend, an heir as a joint tenant on an account. Now, before you add someone as a joint tenant on any account, you have to think of the pluses and minuses of doing so. And many estate planning attorneys and practitioners say it's a very bad idea to do so, and you should proceed with caution. And I'm going to give you an example. So there was a client that I had. She was a daughter. She had a brother. Her mother was elderly and getting sick, and she had added her son, my client's brother, to everything, including a safety deposit box at the bank. She had added her son as a joint tenant, even though the daughter was told on previous occasions that she would get some of the contents in the box, which was most likely jewelry and other family heirlooms. Well, it turns out after the mom had passed away, the brother would not let his sister see any of the contents of the box. And she pushed and she pushed and she pushed. And finally, when she and I made it to the bank, we opened up the box and looked inside. And what do you think was actually in the box? Actually, I have it here. Some rubber bands. That was all that was left in the box. And she and her brother no longer talk to each other to this day. And so when you add one child or somebody on your account or on your safety deposit box as a joint tenant, you have to really think about, okay, how is this going to affect their relationship in the future? Is this going to cause more problems, or are things going to be just fine? And a lot of times it creates a lot of problems, because when you add a joint tenant, you are making them a current owner on the account, and they have no obligation to share, whether it's the contents of the safety deposit box or cash in a joint tenancy bank account. And so when I talk to people about this and I say, you should be really concerned and think carefully about this, sometimes a stock response that I get is, oh, I don't care, I'll be dead. But I do care, because I really care about my clients and their kids and whether or not those people have a good relationship. I am sure all of you have heard stories about, oh, when Aunt so-and-so passed away, our two cousins, they never talk anymore because there was a dispute over something in the estate. So it's really important. Your estate planning documents can have such an implication on whether it brings people together, things are really spelled out, or if it's really uneven and kind of sloppy. And when things like that happen, it can cause a lot of family problems. So I hope you found this information in this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching.